here with another vlog. It's Saturday, and then we're gonna get breakfast. We're going to Dulce Vegan because she's vegan. Where are we turning? I didn't pay attention. Right? Right here?
Church Street, yes.
This is Church Street. Where is it? Morning. There I am. Wait, is it this one? Oh, Dulce Vegan. Okay, it's right here in the corner. Hey. Thank you. It's kind of big biscuit. It's got some cheese on it, some avocado, and then a sausage, some hot chocolate. That looks really tasty. And then we got 2 little cupcakes. I would rate it 5 out of 10, unfortunately. The biscuit just didn't have like a flavor to it. It was just, it crumbled. It was just so dull to it. And I don't know, it just didn't have flavor to it. Look at that. Whole European car. There's like so many substitutes that they sell on stores that they could actually they could use to make things better, but a lot of the restaurants don't do that because they want to like cook it fresh. And I mean, I guess that's the whole part of
It's healthier.
Of being healthier, and then obviously because it's vegan. So I don't know. We're at the USPA Georgia Powerlifting meet, here to support my buddy Noah, who is at the you can never see him. He was in the other video that I put him in. I think it was Are the Yeezys Even Worth It? That's what the video is called. That's him. He's into powerlifting, so we're here to support him. He's about to go in a couple of minutes.
Yes, sir.
Easy way.
Saturday again. I can't stand that place. Come on, Noah! Lightweight, Noah, let's see it. Oh, no. Sorry. What? Smoking, no cooking, no hot box. No, your big shit. Cooking up in the
How was that?
Easy way.
3rd attempt. Here's Julian. One more time. About to get a warm up in. Hey, it's not even an opener yet. Lightweight.
Come on, Noah. Let's go. Fucking sucking and swallowing it. Come on, Noah. When I bought the Rolls Royce, they thought it was lease. Then I bought that new Ferrari.
Yeah. Alright, so three attempts.
At 23-pound PR, my 3rd attempt. Just starting off the day, getting it going.
What was the last one? What was the last one? Was it 5 what?
23.
523.
23 pound PR.
23 pound PR. That's the trend right there.
What on my sponsor card?
Next one's gonna be bench. Bench now?
I did. I'll never do 5 week apart again.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so from the last video, I was talking about this one. This one's the Hawaiian shaved ice. Actually, this one's really good. I like this. I like it.
Tastes like Hawaiian punch.
Yeah, it tastes like fruit punch.
Hawaiian punch is made with 7 kinds of fruit.
Or a one-of-a-kind fruit taste.
Yeah,
It's fruit punch. Sponsored by alumni.
Yeah, Mr. DeWood.
Say what's up to the camera, CJ. You know, I'm putting all this on YouTube, you know that, right? Really? I'm putting all this on YouTube, bro. About to go first attempt, bench.
Just hold this. You gotta hold
Dude,
it
I've
down.
been doing it the whole time. What do you think I've
Wait
been
till I
grabbing?
don't-
It's good. Special care 101. Oh, it's a GoPro. It's just the 4th. I had this thing for like a minute. This is ever since it came out. Now they're on like on the GoPro 7. Like how nice, like
Your hamstring?
how
330 pounds. Come on, let's go. Yep. Let's go, Noah. Press. Back.
Let's go, Noah. Left. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good, dude. Pull up your chest. What's up, man? That's what. Man, I'm TJ. How you doing, man? That's the first haircut.
Especially when you were squatting, my heart was like pounding. I get so.
This is like the only time in life.
How are you? Good. Have you lost weight?
How much? What was the? You went from the second attempt. The second attempt, how much? That was
331.
330, and then you went up to 350 something.
My hamstrings cramped.
It's all good.
It just happened.
We were hungry, and then Noah had one more lift, which was the deadlifting. And I'm sorry, dude. We were just hungry. If you're, I know you're probably watching this. Just gonna get some food. Forgot to show it. It's just some chicken, green beans, and rice. What do you got over there?
Potato soup. Got some
That looks good.
salsa verde.
Can I have some? Can you pour some?
You can have some.
Pour some on this. Dump some in there. It's bulking season. What the fuck is this shit? It's for a squirrel?
I'm not done. How many?
Oh, okay.
Good. Potatoes?
Put a potato. Yeah, carbs. Okay.
Here.
It's whatever. All right. That's good.
Duh.
My grandmother has made something similar like this. It like tastes similar to something she's made. We took like an hour nap. You did too. Now it's like almost 6 p.m. It's 6:30. Geez. So nice. Look at these stairs. There's a lot of people up there. It's probably a party and they didn't invite me. Huh?
Deny.
You didn't open it. Oh my god. Yup.
It's not working.
Way to go. There we go. Some people didn't re-rack anything. Look at this. We got the little jacuzzi here. I don't know if we're gonna come. I kind of want to come. I want to come too. Are we coming to the jacuzzi? She's going.
Let's come down now.
Come down now? Or will we have to change and then come back?
Yeah.
Okay. Does it work?
Yeah,
Is it
touch
live?
it.
Wait, I feel like there's a button that you probably have to click. What does that button do? Please do not press the, oh shit, that's the emergency. Oh look, there it is, spot jets. Does that do it? I mean, the water started moving a little bit, but not as much. Is it hot? Oh shit. Bubbles. Bubbles! Hey, alright, I'm gonna turn it off and then we're gonna come back. Cool. And be right back in. And yeah, we're back. About to chill in here. Ooh. Yeah, this is too much Clorox. They put way too much Chlorine. Or chlorine, I'm sorry. Well, it's like Clorox.
I'm gonna kill it.
Oh, shoot. Huge problem. The jacuzzi has way too much chlorine, and it's making my eyes burn, and it smells really, really bad, and it makes it hard to breathe. Tell by her eyes. Her eyes are red. She's not high. It's just the chlorine. But it really does suck because because
You're excited.
just excited to chill here, and then it hurts
Can't
to
relax.
even like fucking take a blink. But food is life. See what happens. Turn on the music, this copyright. Leila hooked it up with some delicious vegan pizza. Ooh, you gonna put some of that?
Yeah, it's good. Not big.
It's gonna be all for today. Gonna enjoy the pizza, and we got some mango too, cause health. And yeah, see you on the next one.